Belated Merry Christmas, everyone. It's past 1 o'clock here in Texas, but I wanted to film. I added more earrings, handcrafted earrings by me. I started giving myself a break from the earrings so I can start working on the 3-panel project that I started about 2 months ago. Here are the rhinestones that I am going to be using, and I am going to be using more rhinestones in the next week or so. These are the rhinestones. This is the gem tack. This is the glue that I use to adhere and place the rhinestones on my 3-panel project, and this is the portion that I'll be working on. I'm actually doing an update on my 3-panel embellishment. I gotta go to my third room in my house and show what I have completed already for the 3-panel project. So I embellished this. It took me about 3 hours along with this, so a total of 6 hours to do this portion and this portion. And it just took me about 2 hours, and I give myself breaks in between. And this has been drying for about 2.5 weeks. This that you see here is going to be the background for all of this area. It's a work in progress. I want to make sure that all of the glue is dried before I add the wooden frame. I'll be going to either Lowe's or Home Depot to frame 3 panels. What I do is I take a break from embellishing, and then I do the jewelry making. I will need to frame this soon. This is a puzzle that my son and I did together to frame the sides along with this. That's pretty much an update on the embellishing portion of my DIYs. I will show what is going on with my earring collection inventory, my growing inventory. These are different. I wanted to do something different with polymer beads. I did this. I want to make more of these. These are so cute. I'm going to actually wear these for Easter if I haven't sold these yet. Interested in just browsing any items that I post on my Poshmark account closet, go and view my description area. And yes, I will be selling these on my account, and they will also be given as free gifts as a thank you for ordering from my Poshmark. I'm ordering more of these on Amazon next week. I'll be making more earrings. I'll be making more bracelets. I hope this video finds all of you well. Take care. God bless. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's free to subscribe. It's free to share, free to comment. My journey to make all different types of jewelry is going good, and I'm enjoying making jewelry. Have a safe, fun-filled New Year's Eve with your friends and family. Take care. I hope this video finds all of you well, whatever time it is where you're watching this video at. Remember, in the description area, there are affiliate links as well, because I am a Amazon affiliate for the last almost 2.5 months. If you're interested in any of the affiliate links down below, feel free to click on any of them. My Poshmark link, Amazon links, and whatnot. Take care. God bless. And please share this video. I hope this year was good to you, and blessings from my family to yours. And I look forward to my next video. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.